Good morning, this is Mark Leibovit from VRTrader.com, welcoming you to this Leibovit VR presentation. We're going to look at a couple stocks and indexes this morning, and we're going to get into a little more detail on the volume reversal. It is available here at Tradestation for $95 a month. There's a 1-month free trial. 3 versions are incorporated in the package: sequential, directional, and 2-day. The sequential is what I use on these videos. It posts all positive and negative volume reversals. The directional filters out repetitive volume reversals and provides a stop. And the 2-day is based on the premise, whether it's 2-day, 2-bar, 2-week, you tend to get follow through after a positive or negative VR for a couple of bars, and that whole screen is programmed accordingly to exit after the second bar. Meanwhile, let's jump into a quick example here. We're looking at Walgreens Boots Alliance, WBA, on the daily sequential chart. And what was real interesting, as you know, on this past Friday the 3rd, we had a big surge on news, but we saw positive VRs before that, confirming that there were buyers and something was happening. Ideally, I like to buy when you have a rising 533 stochastic. You can see back here how negative VR and a declining stochastic confirmed the beginning of a downtrend. So very powerful tool, and what I'm saying is the big surge on Friday was no surprise if you saw the accumulation occurring before then. Let's look at a couple indexes really quickly here. We are short the market here on a trading basis. The spiders generated a Leibovit negative volume reversal on Thursday, declining 533 to stochastic, so at least for a day or two that's a trade, even though I have to admit I'm more bearish looking out into the fall. And looking at the Dow Diamonds DIA, equivalent negative volume reversal on Thursday, so also a good indication that the market will work lower here on a trading basis. Meanwhile, I want to remind you that at VRTrader.com we have a whole host of products and newsletters available, many recommendations on the Platinum. Do mirror what I post on these videos, so go to VRTrader.com and check this out accordingly. And also, as a reminder, I do host my own radio show on the Genesis Communication Network, GCN Live, every Saturday morning, 10 a.m. Eastern. It's also carried at 1510 KFNN in Phoenix, and we are building a terrestrial network for GCNlive.com for Wall Street Raw. Meanwhile, I encourage you to sign up for the Leibovit volume reversal here at Tradestation. It's a tool that you absolutely have to complement your other arsenal of technical indicators, and one that's served me very well over the last 35 years. We will speak to you next week, and thanks for checking in.